OMG, my baby, you would never guess how much these window panels are. The sheer window panels, you would never guess how much they are. OMG, I can't believe this. Just wait. Wait. Hi, my babies. I'm at the Family Dollar. Let's go in here and see what can we find today. They still have that little rack over there. You can see a lot of yellow items. Yeah, we just scan a few things. See what they got. Is it still $197? Yeah, having so much fun with this $197 stuff. Yeah. $197. I don't know when they're gonna put the stuff cheaper. Like $1. Everything. $197. Oops. It's cute stuff though. You can get for $2. You still can't beat it. $2 shirt. But yeah. Still not bad, you know. You can come and get you a shirt for $2. So is it Valentine or what? Wait a minute. I'm confused. Is it Valentine already? Oh my God, they ready for Valentine.
Almost.
Oh my goodness. It's Valentine's Day, you guys. Oh my goodness. At least let Christmas get by. Oh, you see it here. Valentine time. Can you believe it? I can't. It's Valentine. So look at the little teddy bears. Oh, look at the monkey. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, look at that. Those are cute. For $10. This is pretty. Valentine. Look at this. So cute. I can't believe this. $20. Talking about low as $30. What's low as 30? Those are $6. They were 12. Those were 7. Those laces up there are 7. That's not bad. Like what? Half price for the lace. For those laces right there. $7.50. Regular price $15. $6.25. So what? Half price for those shouldn't pair. And these internal scroll embroidery, they're half price. These. Those right there are half price. And those are half price. Those are $6.25. Not bad for those. Yeah. Those is half price. The one this year. Those half price. I don't know, should I try some of these down here? Well, let's try that one. Those. I think those. Yeah, those was high price. I don't know about these. Okay, let's see what else we can find. And this shirt right here is $7 for a shirt. Superman, I think, something like that, $7. And I got yellow down there, and that's $1.97 for that little cute outfit. Then they have this Paw Patrol toddler 7-piece for $7. That's cute for $7. Then they had this Teenage Mutant Turtle for $7. So it look like here they cartoon characters. Will be on sale for $7. $2 off. Not bad at all. You can get a whole outfit for $7. They have the Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. $2 off. You got Jackpot. Oh, these are the pants. That's not bad for $1. That's blue. $1.97. That's cute. A little shirt. It's not bad. This little shirt right here, $2. Not bad. And then this little outfit right here is $7. So cute. That's cute. $7 for that. Like that. Tower Apparel. That one. Paw Patrol. These one pants right here for $5. We still have those for $5. There's another yellow over here for $1.97. I seen that shirt. Oh, that shirt right there is $7. And that's a purple. That shirt Freddy Krueger is $7. This shirt right here is $7. Got some light bulbs on sale. Okay, now we're at a second and family dollar. They have all this stuff right here on clearance. Let's see what kind of sales are there. Yeah, $1.97. Everything over here is $1.97. $1.97. Not bad. You can get some pants for $2. Get you a dress for $2. Ooh, is it pants $2? They got a pair of pants here for $2. Not bad. A cute little shirt. Not bad. $2. They have these pillows up here for $5. Oh, the pillows. They have these over here, $6.25 for the sheer window panels. So pretty much, they have their sheer window panels on sale. Those up there are still $4. All their shoes $1.97. Let's see how much is these Paw Patrol. Paw Patrols are $5 for those Paw Patrol. Okay, I'm at my third one. Let's go see what they got. Got some yellow stuff up here. Okay, $1.97. The yellow shirt. Boy, this is red, like t-shirts. Blue. See some yellow stuff. So the yellow items. $1.97. Over here, the yellow items. Still got these 4th of July pants. $1.97. What's this like yellow? I don't know if any of they cartoon. Yeah, they cartoon characters here is $7. Yeah. So mostly little cartoon characters are cute. It's on sale for $7. Yeah. So it's like all the little cartoon characters. That's how much I had caught them for, about a month ago. They little cartoon characters. That's cute, Paw Patrol. Got something for $1.97. 2 little shirts. Can't beat that. 2 shirts for $1.97. Can't beat that at all. $1 for 1 shirt. For what? $2 off. Yeah, they have that for $7. That's cute for $5. That's what's, I don't know, I think I did that one. Oh, wow. Let's see what they might have. $1.97. No, that's $8.97. I got some little skirt here for $97. Look like their stuff is $97. Let's see. Okay, their rack over here is $97. So that's good. $97 for their rack. $197 for all. Okay, let's go try to find a blanket. There's a lot of stuff over here for 50 cents. I don't know, do they have their, let's see if they have their shower curtain. So it's like the brown and purple. SpongeBob. So far I've seen the brown, purple tags. That's a brown one for Manny. So I guess brown, purple, and orange. So this is an orange one. They don't have no Valentine's up here. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff for 97 cents. Okay, let's see. Ooh, nice and clean over here. These here, same price, $3 off. Little cartoon character. So it looks like they pretty much got them at all the stores. And the little cartoon characters. $3 off. Not bad. And they got these jeans right here for $3.97. They're jeans. Yeah, so I don't know that I do that Paw Patrol. Say clearance. $197. $197. This is cute. $1. Shoes. $197. Look at it, you guys, clean. $3 for these Be Happy. $3. It's not bad. It's still $4 at this one. So just here, they just had a little cartoon characters on sale. No clearance rack back closed?
No, not right now.
I probably don't need to come back to one of these till after Christmas, though. After the beginning of the year. Because they don't have anything.
Have a good one.
Bye, my babies.